What's going on, everyone? Welcome to Freestyle 101, Udemy's premier course in teaching you guys how to free your style. I'm Emeroy. I'm two-time City of Alhambra B-Boy champion, member of Antics. I've had the opportunity to dance with crews such as Culture Rock LA, co-founded my own dance team, Family Business, and I'm also Udemy's instructor for How to Break Dance for Beginners, one of the best-selling online dance courses currently out there, and this is
Syrian. I've been dancing for over 25 years. I'm technically trained but born to get down. I've worked with artists such as Beyonce, CeeLo Green, Nike, Adidas. I work on a few kids' TV shows. I do it all. So we're going to teach y'all how to get down.
Alright, so throughout this course, we teach you guys a whole variety of exercises and concepts that really help you think outside of the box. So that way, it not only just pushes your creativity, but also pushes your comfort with yourself and ultimately builds your confidence.
Our goal as instructors is to help you be the best you in your own creative movement, style, quality, which is extremely important. I want you to get away from you trying to actually be the best and just be the best for yourself and not worry about if people are liking it or not, because ultimately you have to create your own unique quality of dance, and that just comes from putting your own expression into it.
So whether you're someone who's petrified of dancing or someone who's looking to increase your knowledge of dance or really start going outside of the box, this course is exactly for you. And if you guys want to join us for this course, okay, all you have to do is click on the enroll button somewhere on this window, okay, and we'll see you in class. Boom.
See ya.